Step into the 2013 Nissan Altima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan leads among competitors in its segment. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Nissan paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: front and rear reading lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, lane departure warning, and a blind spot monitoring system. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.